What's up, YouTube? It's your boy King back with another video. So y'all seen the title. I'm about to customize my neutral gray Jordan 1s. This is a grail for me. Definitely my favorite Jordan 1 in my collection. Probably my favorite Jordan 1 of all time. It'll probably go these, then Royals, then Breads. But as you guys know, 85 cut, 85 colorway, haven't been retro since 1985. So I love this shoe, like, you know, and pretty much anytime before they got retroed in February of 2021, if you see anybody with them, then they were basically distressed. The soles were very oxidized. The laces had changed colors, everything. So I pretty much fell in love with the OG feel. Now, I know this is like a big trend that's going on right now, but I frankly don't care. Like, you know, I do what I want. I'm not doing it because everybody else doing it. You know, always do what you want, like, especially when it comes to fashion, like, ride your own wave, you feel me? But anyway, I want to custom oxidize my soles. Now, I've been on the internet, on Instagram, trying to find people who do, or, you know, customizers, people who do it. I found a few guys overseas, Japan, UK, but of course I couldn't connect or network with them being over here in the United States. So I was on Instagram and I actually came around this dude called Foxtrot Uniform. He's like a vintage sneaker connoisseur. He sells products. He sells vintage style laces, Royal colorways, Villanova, Syracuse, whatever you want. He probably got it, and it's in an OG look. I'm gonna put a picture up on the screen here, but. So yeah, he had a sneaker cleaner, a midsole stainer. Like I said, he's like a vintage sneaker connoisseur. So all of his products tailored toward OG feel. So he created a stainer specifically for your midsole if you want to make it look oxidized, bro. And like, I'm like, damn, bro. But he does like limited drops, and it's like he only does them like every Sunday, I believe. And when he does, he only drops a couple products. He's not gonna like drop out the whole layout, you feel me? So I kind of missed out on that. So I'm just on Instagram scrolling, right? So something just told me to go to the explore page, type in hashtag neutral gray ones, right? I'm scrolling. Something told me like try Hidden NY, right? Because you know Hidden NY posts all of like the cool shit or whatever. So I went to the tab where people tag you, and it's like a section where if you're tagging somebody's picture, then it pops up in this section. It's like the tag section, and I'm scrolling, and I seen a pair of 85s, the neutral grays, and they were like in pristine condition, but the soles were like oxidized. I'm like, those gotta be custom. So I went to bruh page, dude named Batiste, shout out Batiste, bro. He custom oxidized his soles. He did it his own way. I asked him, was it like a service he provided? He was like, nah. He hit me in a DM. He told me exactly how to do it, man. So we gonna get right into it, bro. Alright, first up, these are your materials. As you can see, I have 4 Posca paint pens, all in the color beige. This is exactly what bro told me to get. I went right to my local art store. I'm here in DC. I think it's called I forget what it's called, but I went there. They had some pens in stock. I went and got 4 of them just in case. I was thinking like, okay, maybe 2 per shoe because these pens are kind of small. I got some masking tape, of course, to serve as a border around the midsole so I don't accidentally bleed on unwanted areas. And then I got a blow dryer. So bro told me to go over coloring the soles with the Posca pens, let it sit for like 30 minutes. And then, like, if it's too dark for my liking, take a wet paper towel, wipe it off, and kind of reduce the custom oxidization, make it a lighter color. And personally, that's kind of what I'm going for. I don't want to just go to a complete, like, beige look, like hard beige. That's going to be kind of ugly to me. Even though that's how some of the older shoes look, but I just kind of want, like, a mid-tone beige feel, bro. So I'm taking a chance on my fucking grails. I'm taking a chance, but like it's a chance I'm willing to take. Also, as you can see, I threw in custom beige laces. If you notice with the 85s, they also over time the laces kind of go from a white to a cream. So I went and got some beige laces from Rope Lace Supply. Very easy, they're always in stock. I ordered them beige lace. They have like different lengths. I didn't get like the longest ones. I got probably like the medium to long, maybe 140 to 150 centimeters, what I believe. But yeah, I'm trying to bring a beige lace, beige midsole combo. So here's my tutorial. Good luck to me and good luck to y'all. All right, man, let's get it. Okay, guys, I just wanted to check in with y'all real quick. As you can see, shit is getting dark now, but man, I just completed the first shoe. I'm not gonna take y'all through the second one as well. I'm just about to do the second one real quick, off air or whatever. But man, like, I'm really satisfied with the color of this Posca pen. It's just the standard beige Posca pen. As I stated earlier, I didn't want an OD beige cream colorway. Like, I did not want that at all. So I was kind of hesitant early on using it as the ink started to flow, or the paint rather started to flow, and I was just hoping that it wouldn't be too much. So I was thinking maybe I need to lessen up on my strokes, you feel me, or just do whatever I gotta do, because like I said, I just wanted a mid-tone. But this pen, bro, like, I really like the color, like, and this is just me just free drawing. Like, I'm literally, as you guys can see, I'm just going, I'm just coloring. It's pretty much like feel like art and crafts, man. Like, I used to draw a lot as a kid. Like, this taking me back a little bit, bro. But yeah, I'm just pretty much just going just long horizontal strokes along the sole. I have the top tape, so if I do overflow or overrun the top of it, then it falls on the paint. But the bottom I'm not too worried about because it's like a gray. It's this gray here, and if the pen kind of like transfer over to the gray, then I don't have to worry about it. Like I said, it's wet. It's wet paint, so I could just immediately wipe it off. It's just not a big deal. It's not the white leather upper here that I'm really worried about. So the masking tape is really doing a good job with that. But bruh, like this color, like I'm satisfied. Like bruh told me if I wanted to make it lighter, then go over it with a wet paper towel after like a 30-minute sit. But like I think I'm satisfied with this color, bro. Like, so I'm about to go ahead and take care of the second shoe. After that, I'm going to let it sit for the 30 minutes that it should, and then I'm going to take you guys through the blow drying phase, which should be pretty easy. And then yeah, man, we're just gonna wrap this shit up, bro. So appreciate y'all, man, for sticking in with me. Okay, guys, both shoes are completed to my liking for the most part. The second shoe was much faster. I literally, like I said, I'm satisfied with the color of the pen already. So the second shoe, I literally was just coloring, bro. Like I was in a fucking coloring book, coloring in between the lines, bro. Like back and forth, bro. No exaggeration. I just went ahead and knocked it out. So I would say go back over it, look at it, look at the shoe like in some light. I have a ring light right here, so it kind of exposes some of the untouched areas or the unpainted areas. So yeah, I went back and I kind of touched up any areas that I felt like needed some more strokes. I'll say this masking tape was a really big help for sure. So it's already starting to get dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and let these sit for a minute. I'll probably let them sit for like 20 minutes, something like that. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna get a blow dryer and I'm gonna blow dry it, man. And hopefully that keeps them, permanent for the most part. So yes, sir. All right, guys, I'm back. It's been roughly 20 to 25 minutes. Yeah, so I let them sit, man. I like the color. I'm satisfied. Don't worry, I'm gonna give you better detailed shots of after, but I haven't taken the tape off yet. I'm about to blow dry them, and then I'm gonna take the tape off, man, and then I'm gonna give y'all a better look at how they came out, man. I'm gonna put them on foot too. So yeah, let's get it. Satisfied. No visible stains on my left shoe either. So let me give y'all, yeah, I did that. So let me give y'all a better look, man. Okay, guys, just like the next day, I thought this would be better. I tried to get a good shot last night, but it was just too dark and wasn't working out. But around some natural light, and I'm hoping that you guys can get a good idea of what the sole looks like now. As you can see, it's a nice subtle cream midsole. So yeah, man, it came out pretty good. I can actually go over it if I want. I can kind of like go over it with another coat, go through the same process, but this is exactly how I want it. I mean, I just like this coat. It's not too much. This is on feet. Kind of how it looks on feet. I'm definitely gonna style these, so I'll probably just create a how to style video for them. Definitely leave a comment down below if you want me to style these. Just just like I've styled a lot of shoes on my channel. But yeah, man, this is the custom aged soles on the metallic Jordan 1s, also with the beige laces from Rope Lace Supply. So appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.